To our other top story, those allegations that could profoundly affect death penalty cases in Alameda County. The district attorney there says a federal judge is ordering her office to review all death row convictions after they found evidence prosecutors may have excluded jurors based on their race or religion. It centers on the case of a black man sentenced to death. ABC 7 News reporter Tim Johns is here with a look at the evidence we're talking about here tonight. Tim?
Yeah, Dan, the DA's office says they found old notes from this case that suggest prosecutors might have systemically prevented black and Jewish people from serving as jurors on death penalty cases in the 1980s and 1990s. The thought behind it was apparently those groups of people were seen as more likely to oppose the death penalty.
This is not about left or right or any kind of politics. This is about ethics.
Alameda County District Attorney Pamela Price announcing Monday that her office has been ordered by a U.S. federal district court judge to review all death penalty cases in the East Bay County. The order coming after the judge reviewed the case of an Oakland man sentenced to death for murder in 1995. Price's office discovering notes by prosecutors in that case, which appear to show possible systemic discrimination against black and Jewish jurors.
It would take, oh heavens, months, if not years, to be able to get through all of them.
San Mateo County DA Steve Wagstaff says Price and her team have a big task ahead of them. Price says she's identified 35 cases that need review. A task Wagstaff says is about not just those cases, but also the legal system as a whole.
We count on our juries having faith that the system is being done in a fair and impartial manner.
That legal system has oftentimes been far from impartial, says Lisa Hill, a criminal justice professor at Cal State East Bay.
You're 17 times more likely to get the death penalty if a black person kills a white person.
Professor Hill says what's happening in Alameda County is one example of why some people are opposed to the death penalty. She points to data that shows people of color are disproportionately impacted by death penalty convictions.
Those numbers defy a justice system. It's not a justice system if you have those numbers.
DA Price wasn't able to specify how long going through the 35 cases will take, but legal experts say, depending on what's found, the outcomes for some of those cases could change.
The suggestion is that this jury selection process was so tainted that you may have to give some of these individuals an actual new trial.
Now, since 2019, California has had a moratorium on the death penalty. However, legal experts point out to me that doesn't mean it's abolished in the state, as that moratorium could be lifted at any time. Dan?
Interesting. All right, Tim, thank you.